You know, you're living in a really weird world when you can mention Meta, artistic theft, and Bob Dylan in the same line, and it makes sense. So, what's going on is that Meta is being sued by a bunch of writers who are alleging, I think rightfully so, that Meta stole their books or illegally downloaded them from torrent websites on their corporate servers and then used it to train their Llama generation of models to make themselves money. Now, what is going on is that number one, first starting off, Meta said, no, we didn't do it. Then emails came out which proved that they actually did do it. But then Meta said, well, we did do it, but we didn't see the books, so we didn't do it. Now, Bob Dylan comes in because his song of like steal a little, they make you, they throw you in prison, steal a lot, and they make you the king is being used because Meta downloaded so many illegal books that now they're being crowned the king. It's a very weird world, but I think the artists have a real case here. That the artists are alleging, rightfully so, that their books were used, that their material that they had spent months and years writing was used to train these chatbots, which essentially, like for example, imagine you are a fiction writer or a non-fiction writer. You wrote a book that took you months and years to write, and now some asshole can go on the Meta chatbot and ask everything that they need to know about the book, ask all questions, all spoilers, and they don't ever have to read the book. Now that is loss of revenue to you. And the artists are saying, well, you train these models, pay us for using our data, for using the works that we have worked on. And Meta obviously saying, no, we don't want to pay you because, well, number one, we didn't do it, and then if we did it, it was legal, and if we did, even if it was illegal, you can't prove it because you don't have any proofs for the fact that we seeded our books. So it's a really interesting world. AI, generative AI, while it's complicating the world, in many ways, it's making it more popcorn eating worthy.